Hello everyone, welcome to Demented Tech Review. So then guys, the new Vision Pro 2 is set for release in 2025, but things aren't quite as exciting as you might expect. According to a reliable leak from Ming-Chi, Apple is preparing to launch Vision Pro 2 next year. But here's the twist. The only major upgrade is internal. The current M2 chip will be replaced by a faster M5 chip. That's it. No design changes, no new features, just a chip swap. And despite the minor upgrade, the price? Still expected to be $3,500. That's steep, especially when the device is already considered niche and unaffordable by many potential users. It's the kind of move that makes the Vision Pro feel more like a status product than a truly accessible innovation. But hold on, there's another headset in the works, the Vision Air, rumored to arrive in 2027. This one's designed to be lighter, less feature-heavy, and hopefully more affordable. Vision Air might ditch the premium OLED displays for micro-LEDs. Still sharp, but not as stunning. It probably won't have the eye-tracking display on the front either, which means no digital face visibility like the current Vision Pro. And the chip? Not an M-series. It'll likely use an A-series processor, maybe the A20 or A21 by then. With fewer sensors and a simplified design, Apple might bring the price down to $1,000 to $2,000. Still pricey, but far more approachable. Meanwhile, Apple is also working to improve latency, a critical feature for use cases like surgery simulations, industrial training, and other precision-demanding tasks. So while Vision Pro might stay niche, it's being fine-tuned for serious professionals. So what do you think? Is Apple playing it too safe with Vision Pro 2? Or does Vision Air sound like the future of accessible mixed reality? Drop your thoughts below, and if you enjoyed this update, make sure to hit like and subscribe for the latest Apple leaks and tech insights. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.